equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a vacuum cleaner brush. First, unplug your Rowenta RO4873EA to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the filter compartment, which is usually found at the back of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the cover is off, gently pull out the old filter. If it appears dirty or clogged, it's time for a replacement. When installing the new filter, ensure it fits snugly into the compartment. If you're unsure about which filter to purchase, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right one. After replacing the filter, it's essential to clean the interior of the vacuum. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the inside, removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated. For those hard-to-reach areas, a vacuum cleaner brush can be very handy. Once you've finished cleaning, replace the cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any issues during operation. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, plug the vacuum back in and perform a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Regular maintenance, including changing filters and cleaning, will significantly enhance the performance and lifespan of your Rowenta RO4873EA. By following these steps, you can keep your vacuum in top condition, ensuring it operates efficiently for years to come. In summary, always remember to unplug your device before starting any maintenance, use the right tools, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to maintaining your vacuum cleaner effectively. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.